Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is not a programming video. It's a video which I just wanted to inform you few things. So the first thing what I wanted to inform is to remind you guys that from now the features, the advanced virtual assistant features are gonna start. The 50 plus features which I mentioned in the demo video, we'll be integrating in our advanced virtual assistant Jarvis. The second thing what I wanted to inform is from now I'll be using PyCharm as there's a problem in my system, my laptop. I won't be able to use Visual Studio, but it's fine if you're doing programming and Visual Studio. You can continue with that. There's no issues. You need not change to PyCharm just because I changed because there has been a slight problem in the loading and the terminal part in my PyCharm, so I won't be able to use it as earlier in the before programming videos. But thankfully I'll be using PyCharm, so you guys can continue with Visual Studio if you have already started with it. It's the same programming language, it's the same coding procedure, everything, so you can use that. And moreover, you will get the source code. The whole source code will be there in the description, so you guys can get it from there. So these are the two things which I just wanted to inform before we start the features videos in our advanced virtual assistant. So stay tuned for the next videos that are going to come. All of them are quite interesting to integrate in our advanced virtual assistant. So till then guys, happy coding, stay tuned and take care. Peace out guys, bye.